Hey friends, in previous video we saw the response time of DeepSeek AI and ChatGPT. In this video we will see a amazing response of DeepSeek AI and ChatGPT. In this video we will ask a simple question from DeepSeek AI and ChatGPT, but both will give a different answer. Now it's your turn to give a correct answer in comment section and let me know which one is correct, DeepSeek AI or ChatGPT. So let's start our video. Now we will ask a very simple question. 9.9 and 9.11, which one is greater? Now here you can see the final conclusion of DeepSeek AI is 9.9 is greater than 9.11. Now we will ask same question from ChatGPT. Here you can see ChatGPT has given two responses. According to ChatGPT, 9.11 is greater than 9.9. In another response also 9.11 is greater than 9.99. So let me know in comment section which number is greater. Thank you guys for watching this video.